Tapas Fleming, TATlife.com. Sometimes something just kind of sneaks up on you that you are sorry to find out has snuck up on you, and that is you have one or both of your parents' voices telling you things about who you are, what you can accomplish in your life, or more likely not, how you can expect life to be for you. Typically, those are things that they heard all of their life, and they're just parroting what was said to them. And you'll find yourself living and going, oh my gosh, this voice that I actually thought was my own critical voice came from my parents. What can I do about it? It just keeps yakking those same limiting, horrible messages to me that I hate hearing. So you can do something really easy with TAT. You can do the pose and simply say to yourself, while you're in the pose, what my parents said, which was, you'll never amount to anything, or our family never really gets above a certain level in society, or you really just don't have what it takes like your sister does. Whatever it is they said that you heard your whole life, you just put your attention on what they said to me, blah, 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 is true. And then what they said to me is not true. Or if that feels like too big to take that step, you just put your attention on, it's possible that what they said to me isn't true. Or I can accept that what they said to me is not true. Just those two things are like two opposites, and they just shoot. When your mind hears them both, you come to a place of peace. So then your mind is quiet, and you can be really more of yourself. Now, if that didn't do it, just take that whole bunch of thoughts or that single thought that keeps repeating and do the whole TAT process about it, and you will find yourself free. You'll find this clarity and this, it's just me being me. I can't accomplish what I set my mind to. I'm not what everybody else thinks of me. I'm not what my parents thought of me and told me for my whole life. Okay, I have this whole world of power, creativity, and clarity that I can move ahead with now and enjoy my life in a way I never have before. So there you go. Thank you for listening, and see you next time.